Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So in today's video, we will discuss the next 10 questions of KVS PGT Mathematics paper. Okay, that is from question number 131 to question number 140. Okay, these 10 questions we will cover in today's video. So if you have not watched the previous questions or previous videos, then you can simply go to the description box. There I have given all the links of the previous videos. From there you can watch those videos. Okay, so let's start today's session. Okay, let us go to the screen. So this is question number 131. Okay, this is question number 131. Now in question number 131, what they are asking, see here, if A 4B are in AP and A 2B are in GP, then A 1B are in what? Whether they are in AP or they are in GP or they are in HP, neither AP nor HP. So which option is correct? That we have to tell. So okay, let us see the conditions. They are telling that A 4B are in AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. So that means what? A plus B by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, that we know. That will give us A plus B is equal to 8. So from the first condition we have got this thing, and in the next condition what it is telling, that A to B. Now these three numbers are in GP. Okay, that means geometric progression. So from there what we know, if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC, that we know. So 2 square is equal to AB. From that condition we are getting AB is equal to 4. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 8 and AB is equal to 4. So from there can we find what is what are A and B? Can we find what are A and B? So if we can find A and B, then it will be easy. The task will be easy to decide whether A, 1B are in AP or GP or HP, whatever it is. So one formula we know, that A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Okay, that we know. So now A plus B value we know already, 8. So 8 square, that is 64, minus 4AB, that means 4 into 4, that means 16. So that will give us 6, 8, 14, 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, 48. Okay, this is giving us 48. 48, 58 and 6, 64. Okay, 48. Then A minus B will be under root. Okay, then it will become difficult. The task will be difficult. So okay, we will not go by this method. That means we will not find A and B explicitly, but what we will do, we will check whether A, 1B are in AP or GP or HP, whatever it is. So A, 1B, these three terms, we have to check whether they are in AP or GP or HP. So first of all, if they are in AP, then what we have, A plus B by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, if they are in AP, then we have A plus B by 2 is equal to 1. That will imply A plus B is equal to 2. But this is not possible because already we have A plus B is equal to 8, is not it? So they are not in AP, that is for sure. Okay, so option 1 cannot be correct. Now check for GP, whether A, 1, B are in GP or not. So for that, suppose they are in GP, then what we have, 1 square is equal to, again that formula, okay, 1 square is equal to AB. So that will give us AB is equal to 1. So AB is equal to 1. If they are in GP, A, 1, B are in GP, then AB must be equal to 1. But what we have here, see, AB is equal to 4. So this is also not possible. Okay, this is also not possible. So they cannot be in GP. So option 2 is also wrong. So the only possibility is that they may be in HP. Okay, now for HP, what we have to check? If you want to check that A1B are in HP, suppose A1B are in HP, then what will happen? Then 1 by A, 1 and 1 by B will be in AP, is not it? So they will be in AP. Now they will be in AP means what? Again 1 by A plus 1 by B divided by 2 will be equal to 1. That will give us uh, A plus B divided by AB is equal to 2. Now whether this relation will be correct or not, that we have to check. Whether this relation will be correct or not. A plus B by AB is equal to 2. Now A plus B value we have already 8 and AB also we have, this is equal to 4 by the given conditions. Okay, so 8 by 4. Now LHS will become 8 by 4. Now that is equal to 2 clearly. Okay, this is equal to 2 clearly. So this relation is correct. A plus B by AB will be equal to 2. Okay, so they will be in HP. A1B will be in HP. So option 3 is correct. So option 3 is correct. Is the solution clear to all of you or not? If you have any doubt, then you can inform me in the comment section. Okay, in the next video I will try to clear your doubts. So this was question number 131. Now come to question number 132. This is also very simple. We don't have to do anything. Just we have to recall some results regarding complex numbers. Okay, if Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers, then which one of the following is not true? Okay, this you have to carefully notice, that not true. Which one of these is not true? That means which one is false. So first option, if you see, modulus of Z1 into Z2 will be equal to mod Z1 into mod Z2. So this option is correct actually. Okay, this relation is correct, not the option, this relation is correct. Now next option, what it is telling, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than equals to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. This relation is also correct, we know. And come to the fourth option, what it is telling, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square plus modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to 2 into mod Z1 square plus mod Z2 square. This relation is also correct regarding to complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Okay, so the only possibility is that option 3 will be option 3, whatever relation they have given, that is not true. Okay, that is not true, this is false. Okay, so this option is correct, option 3 is correct, because we have to find which option is not true. Okay, so option 3 is not true. Now what will be the correct form of this option, option 3? So that relation we know that modulus of Z1 minus Z2 is greater than equals to modulus of mod Z1 minus mod Z2. I think this was the correct relation regarding this. Okay, this was the correct relation. So this relation you should check. Okay, so without knowing this relation also we can find out the correct option. Okay, by the method of elimination of the options. Okay, with that we can find that option 3 will be correct for this question. So for question number 132, option 3 is the correct option. Now let's move to question number 133. The angle between the two lines, this and this, is what? Okay, so for finding the angle between these lines, first we have to convert the equations of the lines in the standard form. So for that, what we have to do, the first equation, see how I will write. So first equation I will rewrite it as x minus 2 divided by 2. So I am multiplying by minus the numerator and the denominator. Okay, that is equal to y minus 1 by 7, and that is equal to z plus 3 by minus 3. Okay, that is the equation of the first line. Similarly, the equation of the second line also I will rewrite it as x plus 2 divided by minus 1. is equal to just divide by 2 both numerator and denominator. So 4 divided by 2, okay, is equal to z minus 5 by 4. So now these straight lines are in its standard form, okay, in their standard form. So now we can find the angle by applying the formula, that if theta be the angle between the straight lines, so then cos theta will be equal to, suppose the direction ratios of the first straight line is a1, a2, a3, and the same for the second straight line are a1, b1, c1. Let us say the first straight line direction ratios of the first straight lines are a1, b1, c1, and that for the second straight lines are a2, b2, c2. Then cos theta will be equal to a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 divided by root over of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, this was the original formula, and now we will put the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 to calculate. So a1, a2, so 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. Minus 3 into 4, that is equal to minus 12, divided by, okay, whatever it is I am not writing, because what is the reason that you can see from here the numerator is becoming 0, okay. So the whole quantity will become 0. 14 and minus 14, that will be equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 0. Now that will give us theta is equal to pi by 2, okay. So the straight lines are perpendicular to each other, okay, pi by 2 or 90 degree. So then which option will be correct? The angle between the two straight lines will be 90 degree. Option 4 is the correct answer, okay. So this is question number 133. Now come to question number 134. Now here what we have to find, coordinates of a point or the points on the line, this line which is at a distance of 5 units from the point P, whose coordinates are 1, 3, 3. Okay, so we have to find the coordinate of the point on this straight line. So the coordinates of any point on these straight lines will be of the form 3r minus 2, 2r minus 1, 2r plus 3. Okay, the coordinates of any point on this straight line will be like this: 3r minus 2, 2r minus 1, 2r plus 3. So suppose this is the required point. Now the distance of this point from the point P 1, 3, 3 is 5 units. So the distance will be what? Distance, let me write d. D will be equal to root over of, so 1, 3, 3. So 3r minus 2 minus 1, that means 3r minus 3 whole square plus 2r minus 1 minus 3. So 2r minus 4 whole square plus 2r plus 3 minus 3. So 2r whole square. So this is the distance between this point and P. Okay. So now this distance is 5 units by the given condition. Okay, this distance should be 5 unit by the given condition. So from the given condition, what we can write? We can write a relation like this: 3r, or let me take 3. Okay, I will not get any benefit by taking common. Okay, so let me write as it is: 3r minus 3 whole square plus 2r minus 4 whole square plus 4r square is equal to 5 square. Can we write or not? Is it clear? So now just simplify it. So just break the whole square terms. So I will get 9r square, 2, 3, 6, 3, 18 minus 18r plus 9, plus 4r square minus 16r plus 16 plus 4r square is equal to 25. Okay, so now 9r square plus 4r square, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17, so total 17r square we are getting. Now here see minus 18r and minus 16r, so what it will be? Minus 18, 18, 18, 36, so 34 minus 34r, 34r is not it? So here you see 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25. Okay, 16 plus 9, 25. So this and this 25 will be cancelled. So all the terms are exhausted now. So that is equal to 0. Now 17 we can take common and r also we can take common. So we will get r into r minus 2 is equal to 0. So that will give us either r is equal to 0 or r is equal to 2. Okay, the calculations you should do in your own. Okay, no need to copy from me. No need to copy from me. Okay, you can do even in a simpler way. So either r is equal to 0 or 2. So now what will be the required coordinate? So just put the value of r here. Okay, can you see? Just put the value of r here. So if you put r is equal to 0, then what coordinate we will get? Minus 2, minus 1, 3. So this is 1 point, and if you put r is equal to 2, then what we will get? 3 into 2, 6 minus 2, that means 4, comma 2 to 4 minus 1, 3, comma 2 to 4 plus 3, 7, 4, 7, 4, 3, 7. So these are the 2 points. Okay, these are the required 2 points. Minus 2, comma minus 1, comma 3, and 4, comma 3, comma 7. Now look at the options. Which option will be correct? Option 1 is the correct answer here. Okay, so hope it is clear to everyone. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 135. So here what they are asking, the value of lambda for which the vectors a, b and c are coplanar. So for coplanarity, what we have, if the vectors a, b, c are coplanar, then what will happen? Then what will happen? A dot b cross c will be equal to 0. Okay, a dot b cross c will be equal to 0. That is the condition for coplanarity of three vectors. Okay, so now that one we will use. If a, b, c are coplanar, then we have a dot b cross c will be equal to 0. Now for finding this a dot b cross c, that is the scalar triple product. Okay, that is called a scalar triple product. So in the determinant form we can write it like this: a means 4, 6, 2, b means 1, minus 4, minus 3, and c is lambda 1 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now from this equation we have to find the value of lambda. Okay, from this equation we have to find the value of lambda. So just expand this determinant with respect to the first row. Okay, 4 into this, we have 4, 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15. I am writing directly 15, minus 6 into, so minus 3 and plus 3 lambda, minus 3 plus 3 lambda. Okay, if I am doing any mistake, you should inform me. Plus 2 into 1 plus 4 lambda, 1 plus 4 lambda, that is equal to 0. So this will give us 4 into 15 means 60 plus 18 minus 18 lambda plus 2 plus 8 lambda, that is equal to 0. So now minus 18 lambda plus 8 lambda, that is equal to minus 10 lambda. So take it to the right hand side. So we will get 10 lambda will be equal to, now come here, 18 plus 2 means 20, 20 plus 60, that is equal to 80. So lambda is equal to what? What you are getting? Lambda. Lambda is equal to 8. Is it clear or not? Lambda is equal to 8. So the value of lambda for which the vectors a, b and c are coplanar is 8. So option 3 is the correct answer here. Option 3 is the correct answer. 8. So this was question number 135. Now come to question number 136. So the center of a sphere which passes through the points a, 0, 0, 0, b, 0, 0, 0, c and 0, 0, 0, that is through the origin also it is passing. So the equation of a sphere which is passing through the origin will be what? General equation of a sphere passing through the origin will be like this: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2hz is equal to 0. That is the equation of a sphere which will pass through the origin. Okay. Now this sphere will pass through these 3 points as well. Okay. So if the sphere is passing through a, 0, 0, then what will happen? The equation will be satisfied by the point a, 0, 0. So just put the values a, 0, 0. So we will get a square and x value yz are 0. Okay. So 2ag plus 2ag, okay, y0 z0, so that is equal to 0. So from here what we will get, 2g will be equal to minus a, taking a is not equal to 0. Okay, a is not equal to 0. Okay, that is given also. A, B, C are non-zero. These are non-zero numbers. So 2g is equal to minus a. Okay, then what is g? G also we will find. What is g? G will be equal to minus a by 2. G will be equal to minus a by 2. Now similarly, f will be equal to minus b by 2. Okay, and h will be equal to minus c by 2. Minus c by 2. So g, f, h we have got. So the coordinates of the center will be what? Coordinates of the center of this sphere will be what? Minus g comma minus f comma minus h, that is the coordinates of the center. Now that is equal to what? A by 2 comma b by 2 comma c by 2. So this is the center of the sphere. Okay, so now look at the options. Which option will be correct? Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, now come to question number 137. Okay, let's see what they are asking here. If the function fx is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 satisfy the Lagrange's mean value theorem, in the interval 0, 4, the number of values of c will be what? Okay, how many c we will get? That we have to find. Now before that, if a function satisfy the Lagrange's mean value theorem in the interval say a comma b, okay, then what will happen? We have fb minus fa divided by b minus a will be equal to f dash c, okay, where c belongs to a comma b, okay, open interval a comma b. That you have to take care that open interval a comma b, c will lie in the open interval a comma b. So how many c we will get? That is the question here. How many c's we will get? So everything we have a, we have b, so we can find f dash, that is derivative of f. So after finding all this, we will find that how many c we will get from there. So for that, just write fx is equal to whatever the function is given. Fx is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So then what will be f dash x? Okay, I will rewrite this function after simplifying it a little bit. So x minus 1 into x minus 2, just multiply them. So what we will get, x square minus 2x minus x, so minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 3x plus 2 into x minus 3. So again simplify it. So x square into x means x cube, so minus 3x square and minus 3x square, so minus 6x square, and minus 9x plus 2x, so minus 7x minus 6. This is our f of x. So now we can find very easily what is f dash x. Just differentiate with respect to x. So we will get 3x square minus 12x minus 7. Okay, that is our f dash x. So f dash c will be what? F dash c will be what? 3 into c square minus 12c minus 7. Okay, now just in this relation we have to put all the values. Okay, this is the theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Now here we have to put all the values in order to get an equation involving c, and from there we will find the value of c. Okay, so fb minus fa, in the left hand side see f of b minus f of a. Now what is b and what is a here in this problem? Now in this problem a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 4. Okay, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 4. So what will be f of 4? So here let me write f of 4. F of 4 means 4 minus 1, that is in 3, 4 minus 2, that is in 2, and 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So this is our f of 4 minus f of 0. So if you put 0, then we will get minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3. Okay, fb minus fa divided by b minus a. B means 4 and a means 0. So this is equal to 3 into 2 6, and minus minus plus minus minus, again minus minus plus 6 divided by 4. So that is equal to 3. Okay, 6 plus 6 12, 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. Now this 3 will be equal to f dash c. Now f dash c already we have, f dash c already we have calculated. So 3c square minus 12c minus 7 will be equal to 3. Then 3c square minus 12c minus 10 is equal to 0. So now from here we will find the values of c. Okay, that will imply, now how to factorize it? Can we do middle term factor? 10 into 3 means 30. 30, how we can split? 30. 2 into 15, 30. 3 into 10, 30. 5 into 6, 30. 7, 8, 9, 10 into 3, 30. Okay, we will not get middle term factor. I think it is not possible. So then find it directly. C will be equal to, by applying Sridhar Acharya's rule, C will be equal to minus b plus minus root over b square. B square means 144 minus 4ac, 4 3 12 10 120 plus 120 divided by twice a, that means 6. Okay, so then c will be equal to 12 plus minus root over of 4 6 2 264 divided by 6. Now 264 again, how we can write root over 264? 2 3 2 2 2 6 12 1 2 6 233. 311. Okay, that means 3 into 2 6, 66, 2 root 66, that we can write 12 plus minus 2 root 66 divided by 6. That is, again we can write 6, 2 will be cancelled, that means plus minus root over 66 divided by 3. So that is, again we can write as 2 plus minus root 66 by 3, root 66 by 3. So then how many values of C are possible inside the interval 0, 4? Okay, we need the value in between 0, 4. In between 0, 4. Okay, so if I take the value 2 plus root 66 by 3, this value will be what? Inside this interval or not? Okay, somewhere we did mistake, I think. Otherwise, this type of calculation we should not get. If the function this satisfy the Lagrange's mean value theorem in the interval 0, 4, the number of values of C will be what? X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, if I put 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 into 2 into 1, 6, minus what? Again, minus plus 12, okay, b minus fa divided by b minus a, that is equal to 3. This is okay, this is correct. But what about f dash c then? F dash c, have we done the calculation correctly? So let us recheck once. F of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 we are doing. So x square minus 2, okay, plus 2x. This will be plus 2x and minus x. That means plus x, only plus x, x square plus x it will be, okay. So we have to recalculate this thing. Okay, let us do the recalculation. This thing we have to recalculate. Okay, this f of x we will recalculate and again we will find we did some mistake in the calculation. Okay, so f of x will be equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2, that means x square. Okay, no, we did correct, I think. X square minus 2x minus x minus 3x, it is happening minus 3x plus 2 into x minus 3. No, there I did not make any mistake. X square minus 2x minus x minus 3x and plus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, let me see. That will be equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 9x plus 2x minus 6. Okay, that will become x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, there we did some mistake. 12x I think there we have got, or 7x, but here we are getting 11x. Okay, so then what will be f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 3x square minus 12x plus 11. Okay, this is our f dash x, and f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So that means we have now the relation involving c will be 3c square minus 12c plus 11 will be equal to 3. So that will give us 3c square minus 12c plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So okay, again this will imply now how to do the factorization. 3, 8, 24, 24, so 2, 12, 24, no, 3, 8, 24, 4, 6, 24, that will also not work. 6, 4, 7, 8, 8, 3, 24, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 24, no. Again we have to apply the Sridhar Acharya's rule. C is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac minus 96 divided by twice a means 6. So that will be equal to 12 plus minus root over 96, 6, 8, 14, 9, 1, 10, 4, 48 divided by 6. So this value will be what? 12 and 48. 48 means 16 into 3. 16 into 3, so 4 root 3, this will be 4 root 3, 4 root 3 divided by 6. So again 2 will be cancelled, so 6 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 3. So this will give us c is equal to 3, 2 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 3. So one value is 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3, and another value is 2 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3. These two values of c we are getting. So where they will lie, that is the question, whether they will lie inside this interval 0, 4 or not. Now root 3, value of root 3 is 1.732, I think 1.732. Value of root 3 is 1.732. So 2 into 1.732, 2 multiply by 2 to 4, 2 3 6, 2 7 14, and 2 7 14, 2 1 2 1 3. So this is the value, that means 2 plus 3.464 divided by 3, and another value will be 2 minus 3.464 divided by 3. Okay, now just divide by 3 this quantity. 3 1 3, then point 4 3 1 3 1, that means 1 point something. Okay, this value is 1 point something, 1 point something, so this value will be 3 point something. Okay, 3 point something, so this value will lie inside this interval. Okay, 0, 4, inside this interval this value will lie. So this is okay. And what about this value? This is also 1 point something, so 2 minus 1 point something, that will also lie inside this interval 0, 4. Okay, that will also lie inside the interval 0, 4. No need to calculate totally. Okay, so from here we can decide. So both the values of C will lie inside the interval 0, 4, open interval. So we have number of values of C will be 2. So option 3 is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer. So this was question number 137. Now come to question number 138. Now fx is given and gx is given, then which one of the following can be a discontinuous function? Okay, fx is given, gx is given. If you add them, fx plus gx will be equal to, so first option is equal to 3x plus x square by 2 plus 4. Okay, this function is continuous everywhere. This function is continuous everywhere. So option 1 is not correct. And what is fx minus gx? This will be 3x minus x square by 2 plus 4. This is also continuous everywhere. Okay, so this option is also not true. Now fx into gx, that will be 3x into x square by 2 plus 4. Now this is also continuous everywhere because this is also a polynomial function in x. So only one option is left out, so this option will be correct. Gx divided by f of x. This is not continuous everywhere. Okay, this function is discontinuous function. So by these types of elimination method also we can find out the correct option. Okay, in this way. So option 4 is the correct answer for this problem. So now come to question number 139. If y is equal to root over of sin x plus y, then dy dx is equal to what? So y is equal to root over of sin x plus y. So then what is dy by dx? Okay, so for that what we will do, just square both sides and let us see what we are getting. Y square is equal to sin x plus y. Now differentiate with respect to x dy dx. So 2y dy dx will be equal to derivative of sin x is cos x, and this will become dy dx. So then just take dy dx into this side, 2y minus 1 into dy dx will be equal to cos x. So what will be dy dx then? Value of dy dx will become cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Cos x divided by 2y minus 1. So this is the value of dy dx. So see the options. Which option will be correct? Cos x divided by 2y minus 1. I think option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, this was question number 139. Now come to the last question of today's session, question number 140. Now this is a problem from limit. Okay, so we have to find the value of this limit. So let us do limit x tends to 1 root x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 divided by, now 2x square plus x minus 3, whether it is possible to factorize it, 3 to 6, so 3 minus 2. Okay, so I will write 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so this I will write. Then what I will do, limit x tends to 1 root x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 divided by x take common, so we will get 2x plus 3, then again take minus 1 common, so 2x plus 3 we will get. So then it will be equal to limit x tends to 1 root x minus 1 into 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Up to this it is okay, I think, for everyone. Okay, up to this it is okay to everyone. Now come here, limit x tends to 1. Now root x, now can you guess that what I am going to do? This x minus 1 is creating problem here. So anyway, I have to do something for this fellow. So this x minus 1. So this x minus 1 I can write root x minus 1 into root x plus 1. Okay. So into 2x plus 3. Now I think everyone can do. Root x minus 1 will be cancelled. Now you can put the value of x is equal to 1. So we will get 2 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3. So this is the value of the limit. So this is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 into 5. So minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. So this is the value of the limit. Okay, minus 1 by 10. So here you can see the options. Option 1 and option 2 both are same. So both the options are correct. Okay, both the options are correct here. So this was question number 140. So till now then what we have done? Let me summarize the fact that in the videos what we are doing till now. So we have solved from question number 81 to question number 140. That means total 60 questions still now we have solved. Now total 40 questions are remaining still. Okay. So question number 141 to question number 180. These 40 questions are remaining. So these questions also we will solve in detail one by one in the next videos. Okay. In every video we will take only 10 questions so that it will not take much time and you will feel comfortable also to watch the videos. Okay. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get these types of videos, and don't forget to like and share these videos with your known ones who are preparing for mathematics TGT and PGT exams anywhere. It may be the state exams, it may be the central government exams, whatever it is. So for all of them, these videos will be very much helpful. Okay. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.